high-resolution images for a variety of materials. Please check out their Yale brand, Lightnet Printer produced by Yale Printing. Our printer can be used for printing high-quality images in a wide array of industries, such as metal, glass, leather, ceramic, timber, bamboo, fabric, t-shirt, plastic, silicone gel, fiberboard, PVC, acrylic, and advertising materials, etc. We Yale will produce high-quality images and save you money on hardware, ink, and energy. Since our doors opened over 4 years ago, we have been producing great quality.
女孩子穿不上包啊，准备好拿好包子。你快点要时刻保护着我的包啊！
Consistently improving our current product line. Some of the most proud developments in the University of Texas, UV flat band printers, UV inkjet printers, digital textile printers, and hybrid printers, among others.